Motherfucking on.
Turn the lights on.
One bottle, 4 hands, 2 bodies, and 3 orgasms. 2 for you, 1 for me. That's all I need.
She came twice, I came last.
4 hands, 2 bodies, 3 orgasms.
She came twice, I came last.
Numbers don't lie.
Yo, what's up? I am back with the melted hairline Katika OUTRE. Came to do their thing, I promise. Like, if you're looking for like one of the easiest units to have, this is one of the easiest units to have. So it came with your normal stuff. Your 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back. It came with the adjustable straps and also not an adjustable band, but an elastic band. So just fit that joint on your head. As you can see, I did not have to do anything. The lace came kind of pre-tinted in my opinion, so I want to say it wasn't HD, but to me it's HD because the melt was obsolete. So if you don't have to use makeup and I can get real close, then right. So but yes, so OUTRE got this hair in a bunch of different colors. I got it in DRFF red wine. That joint is popping. As you can see, like I said, no makeup. They did the hairline. I didn't pluck. I didn't do anything to this unit except for put some mousse, okay, to get them hairlines. Get my hairline like all the way back to where my edges weren't out, and a hot comb. Like, I've never had a unit where I didn't do anything to it at all. This took like literally 20 minutes. OUTRE did they thing. For real, for real. Like, before, I can't even hold you, I wasn't a OUTRE girl because like their colors was not giving natural hair. It looked like Barbie hair, but that was in the beginning stages. I see these joints are popping. Medium head friendly to kind of big head friendly, I want to say. Like I said, I'm a 22 to about a 22 and a half. It just depends on how much hair or how much I decide to let my hair grow out. But if you have braids and stuff, I know that makes your like radius a lot bigger and stuff. So, or diameter, excuse me. So you do want to go ahead and get a bigger unit or a larger unit or a big head friendly unit if you do have braids and stuff like that that you have to hide and still look good. Okay, so this unit is, like I said, medium head friendly. I feel like you could do a big head if you don't wear a cap. You can also do this unit glueless. I feel like if you wanted to attempt that, I'm gonna tack her down. I don't want to feel like I can't bend over and my unit gonna stay on. So all I'm doing, this is all I did literally. The video isn't going to be very long because this is all I did. If you want the look, pay attention. It's very self-explanatory. Like, I'm telling you. I will link everything in the description box. As you know, if you like videos like this, man, I'm telling you, get at me. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell so that you get notified when new jaunts come out. Like, if you are rough on your hair, this a bomb ass unit. Like, I didn't have to style it. Came pre-styled. Kinky texture that I love. Like, she giving, y'all. She's giving. Okay. So I ain't gonna hold you. I'm gonna let you watch this jaunt while I finish. And I'll see you soon on the next video. Peace out.
X games, we too old for this shit. Them X games, X games, them X games. And you too late for this shit, cause ain't nobody leading you on. That's the whole point of this song. X games, X games. You'll learn later on. Don't hit my line in the morning or the evening time. Say you can't live without me, but you'll be fine. Hey, stop explaining yourself and go do better without me. I swear you're straining yourself. All you do is talk about me. I'ma call somebody up to come see about you. Never knew this type of shit existed till I found you. So you wanna play X games, X games, them X games. We too old for this shit. Them X games, X games. Hands to bodies, reorganize.
King twice, I came last.